In this video, I will show you how you can turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now doing that is very simple. First of all, just open the control center, and over here you will find the Do Not Disturb mode. Now just tap on it, and from here just tap on Do Not Disturb mode to turn it off. As you can see, this is how it will look when it is turned on. Now just tap on it to turn it off. But if you have noticed that after you turn off Do Not Disturb mode, now if it automatically turns on after a specific period of time, so for that just go to settings, and under settings just scroll down and tap on focus. Under the focus section just tap on Do Not Disturb. Now from here just scroll down a bit, and over here if you find any schedule which you have set for Do Not Disturb mode, so just tap on the schedule and select delete. Now you can either delete the schedule or you can turn off the schedule. And after you do that, the Do Not Disturb mode will not turn on automatically after you turn it off. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.